Hey, thanks for coming back this afternoon for a no frills video audio style. There are wasteful things that we do that totally can be avoided if we are just a little more mindful. Now, we've been talking along the lines of laundry in terms of my getting that, compact twin tub washing machine portable thing, and it is great. I love it. But I have noticed something in life in general for anybody across the board that has a family or even themselves, and it might be something worthwhile checking into. We talk oftentimes about saving money, but many times, because we are, quote, too, quote, tired, e.g., possibly maybe a little lazy, just saying, just saying. Sometimes we will wear an article of clothing for not long, maybe an hour or two. And what do? Instead of walking it back to let it air out on a hanger somewhere, okay, I get that, and then hanging it up, or because you don't feel like folding it up neatly and carefully and putting it back in a drawer, which takes what, a couple of seconds? No, no, no. What do we decide to do instead? We've all done it at least once or twice, even yours truly. Just saying, just saying. But I have been very mindful in the last maybe 15, 20 years not to do that. What am I talking about? Putting your clothes in the hamper too soon. Do you realize that it really is such a waste? You put more clothes in the hamper, which means what? You're going to be doing more washes. Well, more washes means more water, more laundry soap, not to mention time, effort, energy, and even a little bit of sanity. It is crazy. Just because for a few seconds of time that we do not take that moment to walk over to the closet to hang up the article of clothing that was barely worn. Now, obviously, if an article of clothing, even if you wore it once, somehow or another got badly soiled to whatever, or for whatever the reason, I don't know the reason, then of course, obviously, you wash it. But I mean, I can expect this from like young people, like kids or whatever. But I kind of like, when we get a little older, we have to be, in my opinion, it just works for me at least, this idea, be more mindful of just saying, hey, wait a minute, I only wore this thing a couple of hours. It is not dirty at all whatsoever. It is not a hot, sweaty day. You know where I'm going with this. Because the faster we fill up the hamper, the faster we're going back to the machine, the faster we're using more water. Get it? This vicious cycle, literally, it is a cycle. The vicious cycle continues on and on. If you can really reduce your amounts of time that you are loading up your laundry, you will be saving money. Ask yourself, am I making too many washes per week? Just saying, just saying. Another thing that people do, they might have maybe two items. Now, don't get me wrong. In my case, I have this small compact portable washer. So what I do, here's what I've been doing. Once a week, okay, I can only put in a little bit at a time. However, in my case, I can turn the little cycle button on for like a 3-minute wash, which is really, really good. Then I rinse it, then I get my other articles of clothing. Literally within 1 hour's time, I will have my wash done for the week in the comfort of my apartment. Okay, so in my case, I'm telling you, winner, winner, chicken dinner. And there are so many videos about this. But ask yourself, are you making too many washes? Are you putting in a regular, like big, big, big machine, just like small amounts of laundry? In that case, I kind of sort of don't get it. Just saying, just saying, I don't know, food for thought. Just, want to serve as a reminder to say, be mindful of the frequency of your washes. Do you wear something for 2 seconds and then just throw it in the hamper? I don't know. I can expect that from like little kids, but I don't know. We're not kids anymore. Just saying, just saying. Thanks for being here. Catch me on my regular show, my Instant Coffee with Jan show, for money saving tips every single Monday through Friday at 5 a.m. Eastern. I upload. Thanks for being here. Take good care now. Take care of each other. Bye bye.